Packaging is far more than a final step in production. For manufacturers, it impacts sourcing, product design, logistics, compliance, and sustainability across the entire supply chain. And now, companies selling into the European Union are facing greater scrutiny than ever before. The Packaging and Packaging Waste Regulation sets a new standard for how packaging is designed, sourced, and reported across its entire life cycle. This is not a niche regulation affecting only select industries. It applies broadly to any company placing packaging on the EU market. PPWR brings together a wide range of existing requirements into a single enforceable framework. It focuses on reducing packaging waste while increasing transparency and accountability. Companies must now track and manage key elements of packaging compliance. This includes minimizing packaging weight and volume, increasing recycled content, designing for recyclability, and ensuring substances meet regulatory restrictions. The regulation also requires clear labeling, participation in extended producer responsibility programs, and the ability to produce technical documentation that demonstrates compliance. For many organizations, the challenge is not understanding these requirements. It is executing them consistently across the business. Packaging data is often spread across multiple teams, including design, procurement, compliance, and suppliers. In many cases, that data is incomplete, inconsistent, or missing entirely. As a result, companies are forced to estimate compliance. An estimation creates risk. Without a complete and accurate dataset, organizations cannot produce a defensible technical file or respond confidently to audits. PPWR introduces a new level of accountability. It requires companies to connect data across the entire packaging lifecycle and maintain it over time. This is a data problem as much as it is a compliance challenge. Without a centralized system, managing these requirements at scale becomes nearly impossible. To meet these requirements, organizations need a centralized system of record for packaging and compliance data. That system must bring together material composition, recycled content, substance compliance, and reporting requirements into a single, structured framework. It must also support supplier data collection and enable the creation of a digital technical file. When data is connected and validated, compliance becomes operational, not reactive. PPWR does not exist in isolation. It connects directly to extended producer responsibility requirements, where producers are accountable for the full life cycle of their packaging. That adds another layer of complexity. Companies must track packaging data, generate accurate, country-specific reports, and keep up with constantly evolving requirements. These disconnected systems make audit-ready compliance nearly impossible. Source Intelligence solves this by consolidating packaging, supplier, and material data into one centralized platform. Our extended producer responsibility solution builds on that foundation by automating data collation, streamlining report generation, and keeping pace with regulatory change. Rather than stitching together multiple tools, organizations can manage PPWR compliance in one connected platform that reduces overpayment risk, improves accuracy, and makes global reporting manageable at scale.